Meet hazelnut, Corylus americana in the Betulaceae or birch family. This is a plant that I have such a deep love for so many reasons. I have a tendency to be kind of impatient, and this is one of the trees that will produce very quickly. Especially as far as nuts are concerned, there's nothing out there that's going to produce nuts as quickly as hazelnuts. There's also nothing out there that's going to be as productive per acre as hazelnuts. They have the potential to produce 4,000 pounds per acre, and each pound is 2,800 calories of incredible high quality nutrition. They're loaded with omega-9 monounsaturated fats that are absolutely amazing for human health. They're amazing for wildlife too. Everything from supporting insect species to ground-dwelling birds to a wide array of different animals, and even apex predators will eat the incredible nutrition of the hazelnut. On top of all of that, they're very easy to cultivate as well. They grow into beautiful, dense hedgerows that can create a privacy screen or a windbreak. They maintain a relatively small stature, maybe 15 to 20 feet maximum, and they can be pruned to stay at any height that you like. They'll tolerate all kinds of soils, being an early successional tree, and I could just go on and on singing the praises of hazelnut. I really feel that this is one of the most deserving species of breeding and crossbreeding with different species like the beaked hazelnut up north, the Turkish tree hazel from Europe, the European hazel as well, and not to mention Corylus ferox from the Himalayas that can tolerate zone 9 levels of heat, which I think is a very important trait for us to be breeding into these amazing trees. And yeah, there's so many reasons why I love this tree. At Plant Path Nursery, this is part of our holy trinity of chestnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. Not to mention, this tree is the only tree species I know of that is productive enough to potentially compete with corn in terms of calories per acre, because 4,000 pounds per acre, 2,800 calories. Corn produces 8 to 10,000 pounds per acre at around 1,450 calories. So they're very close in comparison on the level of calories per acre, but these calories are much higher quality. If you're concerned about oxalates, you can boil them, and all of the soluble oxalates that would give you trouble will be mostly denatured and absorbed into the water, and you can just dump that off and then go back and toast them later if you like the flavor of them toasted like I do. They make incredible nut butter. Their culinary applications are almost endless, and gosh, I could go on and on about hazelnuts, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Should we grow more hazelnuts or just keep growing corn? And what do you love most about hazelnuts? If you like learning about wild edibles, foraging, and generally getting geeky with plants and mushrooms and permaculture, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe and all of that good stuff. But yeah, hazelnut, dear, dear friend. Corylus americana, Corylus avellina, ferox, all of them. Peace, family.